Hi there, everyone. My name is Mary Beth Angelelli, and today I want to welcome you to textbot AI. Wanted to come in here and do a short version of an update video to bring you inside of the back office and just kind of hone in on the different resources and trainings that are available to you when you decide to join textbot AI, okay? First and foremost, every single week, there are live webinars hosted by textbot. They are held on Tuesdays and Wednesdays for all textbot paid members. Tuesday is at 3 p.m. Eastern. Wednesday is at 8 p.m. Eastern, and you can access the information to register through your textbot back office. Now, no worries if you're not able to fit this into your schedule. That's perfectly understandable, realizing that everyone has different schedules, work schedules, family life, and whatnot. However, we've got you covered on all bases because these are recorded and they're uploaded into your back office for you to access anytime you need to. Even if you attend live and you need some additional reinforcement, folks, you can go and watch them over again as often as you need to till you really grasp the concepts, and this is going to help you to truly become successful with marketing your textbot AI opportunity. And what's nice about this is you can even take the training that you learn and apply it to other business opportunities, okay? So that is really wonderful in and of itself. And just want to kind of hone in on some key functions here within the back office of TextBot. Now, this is a lead generation tool. So this is something that you can use to generate income on the front end with TextBot. Those wonderful $100 commissions. And if you want to upgrade to Ava Plus, that will allow you to 5 times your income and earn $500 commissions, as well as be able to advertise multiple opportunities with Ava Plus and enjoy some of the wonderful, more advanced functions of Ava Plus, specifically the SMS text message marketing functions where you can truly follow up with your leads via text message, and you can customize your text bots, your multiple text bots, and do all kind of wonderful things to really grow and scale any business of your choice, okay? And with TextBot on the back end, you can also lead with TextBot and use TextBot to help you to advertise any business of your choice. So it has many, many functions. Again, as an Ava Plus member, you can set up multiple text bots to automate other business opportunities that you have and advertise for you. Okay? So with that being said, I wanted to let you know that you get your own assigned phone number. You can lead with the phone number or you can lead with the website. And I've done both, folks. This opportunity actually went into pre-launch back in June of 2019. It was formerly known as Abundance Network. And then last year in 2020, this got a complete makeover, complete updates, upgrades, and it became known as textbot AI. And I just absolutely love it. Excuse me one second, folks. I've got to take this kitty cat out here so that I can get through this video because he tends to run across my keyboard. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm back. So here is my phone number, folks. You can test this out, 716-229-8845. And you just want to follow the prompts exactly to a T and just respond back with exactly what TextBot is asking you, okay? Now, I also have a website, and I do encourage you to come through the website because you're going to be able to get all of the detailed information, EasyDaily100.com. I'm going to put that information below with my 2 direct links and the link to my website, EasyDaily100.com. So I just want to show you that this is one of the redirects that you can use. Here is the second one. And you can switch these out, folks. You can, split test, whatever you want. They both work very, very well. And it largely automates the system. So all you have to do is, if you want to lead with your website, just advertise the website, and these presentations will kick in and they will literally do all the selling, telling, and explaining for you so that you don't have to, and they will get people signed up for you for TextBot, and then you'll be getting those wonderful email notifications that you have a new member for TextBot and you just earned another commission. Okay? Super exciting stuff. So let me just take you in here and show you first and foremost this very first one right here. Okay, so we're just going to go right over here, and this is one of the presentations here, and I do encourage you to check this out. I'm going to put my direct link below in the description, like I always do with my contact information. And by watching this video, you're going to be able to get the details on the hot, qualified, ready-to-buy text message leads for any business that you're going to be able to have access to and use to build your business, okay? What this does is this builds you a mobile marketing lead list. This is a lead generation system with an emphasis on mobile marketing leads, okay? And you can take these leads and you can follow up for your text bot. You can use these leads for other businesses if you want to, folks. It's totally up to you, okay? That is the beauty of this system. So you can also register here to watch our free online presentation instantly, and then you just connect with Ava right here to find out more. Just simply enter your name and your mobile number, and then you will receive a text message with the next steps to follow. Exactly, and that's exactly what I encourage you to do, okay? And then you can come down here, you can, after you watch this presentation by Jeff Long, the owner and creator of TextBot, then you can go ahead and check this out here, and you can come on down and you can follow these 3 steps, folks. And this is going to show you exactly in this 3-minute video intro what you will learn. So you can just press play and sit back and watch this quick 3-minute intro video, which I encourage you to do if you are seriously looking at becoming part of TextBot, okay? You're going to be able to meet and demo Ava, and then you're going to learn how Ava can help you to generate leads and close sales via text. And then you're going to learn how you can start getting paid $100 to $500 by connecting others to Ava, okay? And then here's some really impressive statistics, folks. So far, Ava has generated well over 400,000 leads for its members. It's paid out in excess of $1,755,000 to its affiliates. And this is how many resellers have decided to partner up with TextBot and say yes and become members and partners of TextBot. Over 83,000, folks. That is huge, okay? Now, many of these are promoting TextBot as an income stream, and others are just simply using this latest state-of-the-art technology to help them to grow and scale and build other business opportunities. And you can do the same, either or both. I've elected to do both, folks, okay? And you can click here to chat with Ava and find out more. So this is really, really great, innovative, state-of-the-art technology, folks. I mean, technology has really advanced, and this is something that is very current, very simple to use, and I just absolutely love it. It's very cost-effective and very cost-efficient also, and you can become a user and or a promoter and earn money or use it as a source to generate leads for any business of your choice, okay? So lots of functionality, folks, and I absolutely love this. So this is something that I encourage you to come and check out. The direct link will be in the description, and then I'm going to show you another option. So this is one option that you can use to advertise if you're going and leading with a website, or you can go with this one right here, which is the traditional TextBot presentation, and this link will be below here, and all you have to do to find out how our AI SMS chatbot will pay you $100 over and over again, just simply click here to play and watch Jeff do his wonderful presentation and explain everything very nicely to you and very easy for you to understand, okay? So you can basically use either one of these, and this largely automates your TextBot marketing system so that the presentations can help you and work for you 24/7 so that you don't have to do any telling selling or explaining. Okay, so let's try to go back into our back office right here. Okay, and you get this wonderful back office, folks. It's super easy to set up, and you just have to go into the trainings right here and learn exactly how to do that. We've got our wonderful trainer, Franco Gonzalez. For those of you who are in this marketing space, I'm sure you know exactly who Franco Gonzalez is. We're just really fortunate and blessed that we have him, and he decided to step up and lead us within our TextBot community to have success for all of our members, especially our new members. So he goes live weekly. He does all his trainings for us, for the paid members, and they're all recorded. So you can go here, folks, and tap into any of these replays. And this is what I was referencing earlier. You can take this training and apply it and implement it into your TextBot business to earn those wonderful 100% commissions of $100 and $500. And you can also take this and you can use it with other opportunities. Okay, he teaches all kinds of great things from YouTube marketing, attraction marketing, attractor factor, how to get everything set up, affiliate marketing, Instagram marketing, how to use the sales page, all kinds of great stuff, folks. I mean, it's really, really wonderful. So you can basically tap into all of this and then apply it and implement it to TextBot and use what you feel is of value to you for your other businesses. Okay? So great stuff here. Again, we have our Tech Tuesday training every single Tuesday. Those are recorded right here, folks, all of the sessions. So I definitely encourage you to take full advantage of this training. We have our product training on Wednesdays. Again, it's all recorded back here. So check this out. It teaches you exactly how to set everything up step by step, folks. Okay, here's the orientation replay. Here is the new member orientation replay, the back office tour and training, how to set up your custom keywords for your bots, and for Ava Plus members, how to customize the entire system and process. Okay, so we come back up here and we have resellers right here. Your links will be here. Your presentation leads are all stored here, building your database. We have a great Facebook group, folks. I encourage you to join that. Here's all of the different resources, folks, that you can plug into. Promo videos that you can use. Here's 4 of them. Here's email swipe that you can just literally come in and copy and paste and swipe and deploy, especially if you have an email list or if you're building an email list. If you do solo ads, folks, if you don't want the vendor to write the solo ad for you, you can choose to do your own and use this great swipe copy right here. It works like a charm. If you're into social media marketing, such as Facebook or Instagram, folks, you can literally copy and paste these, or even use them as ideas and put your own spin and twist on your social media marketing of Facebook and Instagram. The same with the emails, folks. If you want to add your own personality into the emails, I encourage you to do that. But this will give you a very nice starting basis and excellent ideas, okay? And if you're brand new, folks, just swipe and deploy, and then you can eventually switch this up a little bit. Alrighty, sound good? So again, resources, your pending payments will be here, your entire commission history. You'll be able to track that. All your team members, you'll be able to track your entire team. Your leverage line, you'll be able to track that. Your Ava Plus leverage line, you'll be able to track that. And leaderboard. So I'm just going to hop into this real quick just to show you a little bit of continued proof and documentation, folks. I've done really great with this system, folks. I'm a true believer, and I've been running with the system now for quite a while, just staying very committed and very consistent, and great things have continued to happen for me, folks. Here I'm consistently running on the top 10 earnings for all time of TextBot resellers. This is our TextBot resellers leaderboard, and I just consider myself very thankful and blessed, because here I am at number 3 out of thousands and thousands of resellers of TextBot here. And this is what I've been able to earn, a very, very nice 5 figures to date. Okay, so just wanted to show you that real quick. We'll go back over to the dashboard. And folks, this is, like I said, our upcoming webinars. This is what you're going to see as soon as you become a paid member and you log into your back office. You go and set everything up here through your profiles, decide how you want to get paid, all that good stuff, what business you want TextBot to promote for you and advertise for you. You'll just simply plug in the website through your settings and through your profile. So with that being said, folks, here's everything right here. I currently have one active number that I'm using, and you can purchase your credits so that you can fully automate your entire system. Go here, buy more credits, double your credits, whatever you would like. This keeps track of your active members, your active AVA resellers, and all that good stuff. So everything is trackable, statistic-wise, commission-wise, lead-wise. It's all here, folks. Dashboard, click here, and you can get everything fully set up for yourself. Okay, your links are here, your phone number, however you want to set this up. All your commission history is here, earnings to date, all of your signups, it's all here. AVA Basic, AVA Plus, your SMS broadcaster, folks. When you upgrade to AVA Plus, you just go right in here and you can do your SMS broadcast right here by clicking on New Broadcast and setting everything up. It's a really simple 4-step process. You just give your campaign a name, you select the list. Your lists are internally built inside of your TextBot system. You type in your simple short message and you hit the send button, and your leads will receive broadcasts. Okay, and this is going to help you to build your lists, your mobile lists. If you're using a capture page, you can build an email list and you can follow up effectively and successfully. Okay, so thank you so much, folks, for spending the last 16 minutes or so with me, allowing me to just kind of share with you some great components of this amazing TextBot system, kind of show you around the back office, honing in on some great essentials, folks, here. And this is really a complete system, a complete state-of-the-art mobile marketing lead generation system to help you to generate income and advertise whatever business you want using the latest and greatest in technologies. Okay, so thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I want to continue to share with you this awesome system, folks, that has truly helped me in so many ways, and it can do the exact same thing for you too. It can help you to generate income, and it can help you to build the business of your choice in a very effective, cost-efficient way. So thank you so much, and I will see you soon on another TextBot video. Bye for now.